Good morning, hospital students and professionals. So today we will cover the Master the Kitchen Basics book and the Kitchen Helper, the Essential Kitchen Helper Handbook. I, Shreyas Karade, the talent manager of IHM Gurukul, will help you to discover what are the contents and what are the sections that we have covered in this book. So it is basically for the lower level positions, starts from kitchen commie. So the description will you will find in the IHM Gurukul website. So I have also added the book link below. You can also check it out, or alternatively you can also download the IHM Gurukul application. The key highlights also we have highlighted here, and what you will learn, you will get to know more about this when we cover the index part here. So starting with the cover book and the index first section, it is job description, what we have covered here. Duties and responsibilities of kitchen helper, personal hygiene, appearance and grooming for food handlers. So what are the food hygiene policies that the restaurant or the hotel that is set for kitchen staff, and effective hand washing, parts of human body that harbor germs, cuts, boils and septic spots, recognition of problems caused by personal habits in the kitchen, example smoking, jewelry, perfumes, etc. Kitchen uniform, importance of protective clothing, maintain good standards of personal hygiene, reporting illness to your manager if you have any disease or if you are feeling ill in the middle of the kitchen. So you can also have the first aid kit, you can locate as per the restaurant policy. The next section is basic hygiene, the food hygiene policies. The SOPs have already been created in different restaurants, so you can be familiar with them. Potentially hazardous food, outbreaks of foodborne illness, food infection, that is, and food poisoning, controlling food poisoning. So if an area is more infected to a particular dish or a ingredient, that can be avoided in the menu. Food contamination and cross contamination by using different chopping boards. Food cooking and holding temperatures. So what are the temperatures that already been set while setting the recipes, and temperature danger zone. The next section is introduction to kitchen tools and equipments, covering tools and utensils, types of knives, heavy equipments, cleaning and maintenance of tools and equipments, safety rules, handling tools and equipments, kitchen organization, what is the hierarchy that the staff is being following, that is it the first sous chef, or which is the highest position the kitchen has. So if a cloud kitchen is there, so the highest position may be working in different departments, or if there is a proper hotel, so there might be a different structure that the kitchen will follow. And the next is knowledge of foods, the different knowledge foods of and basic cuisine you need to remember as per the field that you are working. So it starts from spices, herbs, fresh and canned fruits and vegetables, different cuisines, that is Thai, Chinese, Lebanese, etc. Lentils, poultry, meat and fish, basic kitchen terminology. What are the basic skills for food preparation that you need to have? That is first use of cutting boards, knife essentials, how to crave deboning a chicken, how to clean and fillet a fish, how to chop, dice and shred, trimming, peeling, coring, pitting, basic cuts of vegetables, portioning cuts, meat grinding procedure, grating fruit, washing, rinsing and blanching, measuring and conversions. So if there are many conversions which are happening not just from a kilogram or liter, but there are for example, if the kitchen equipment size is different and the vessel is unavailable at the place, so what are the alternatives that you need to find out. The next section is mixing food, having stirring, whisking, whipping, beating, folding, blending, food preparations such as emulsion, salad dressing, salads, marinades, spice vinegars, brines and seasoning, mother sauces, stocks and soups, cooking techniques such as handling and storage of eggs, checking freshness of eggs and preparation of boiled eggs, poached eggs, fried eggs, omelets, scrambled eggs, grilling and broiling method, roasting method, sauteing method, stir frying method, deep frying method, braising and stewing method, poaching and simmering, and double boiling, parboiling, cooking instructions for various grains, degree of doneness in meat, poultry and fish, food preservation and storage techniques which are followed in different manners by different kitchen members, such as food spoilage, food preservation, storage principles, types of storage, chilling, dry storage and freezing, sanitary features, operating practices, handling storage of specific items, cook and partially cook food, meat, poultry and eggs, seafood, dairy products, fruits and vegetables, stock label and rotate giddiness, first aid and safety policies which have been placed in different hotels by in their SOPs and also in daily kitchen welfare. The first is the cause of accidents that by human hazards or by environmental hazards, preventing cuts and lacerations, preventing burns, preventing falls and other common injuries, fire safety, first aid in emergencies, choking and heart attack, procedure for bomb scares, safe lifting and carrying techniques, what the pest control which need to be done regularly during the audit reports also, and also the safety reports which the auditor have might be have done through to the hotel. The first is like kinds of cockroaches which are been finding, detecting and preventing cockroaches and files and other infestation, method of killing cockroaches and files and other insect pest, signs of rats and mite infestation, preventing and controlling rodents, birds, pesticides, use of pesticides, precautions in use of pesticides, precautions in storage and disposal of pesticides. So these are the main overview section. The kitchen master the kitchen basics. The essential kitchen helper book handbook has. You can also purchase the ebook from IHM Gurukul. The link has been mentioned below. If you have any doubts or facing any payment issue, you can also contact us on the WhatsApp number given. And if you have any further inquiry, you can also put your comment in the below comment box, and we will help you to clear it. Thank you.